This is what we made to remove the bearing and the racer from the spindle. This is our racer. This is the spindle. I was using this socket like a driver for the racer. It fits inside and stops on this lip around, and this is the bearing, the old one. Now we're going to install inside this bearing and this hub. This is 20-ton jack. This is our spindle. Now we'll try to press inside the new racer. This is our new bearing. We're gonna press it inside. We're gonna use another socket like a driver for the racer, and now we're gonna press it. As you can see, it's going inside without any problems. Cheia, короче, close e mai mare și trebuie să intre liber încolo. That's it. It's all the way in. Now take out the jack. And as you can see, our bearing, it's all the way in. And this is how it's supposed to be. Now we should install this back on the bearing. First we're going to install this part of the bearing on this shaft, and after this shaft together with the center put back on the spindle. One half of a bearing, it's on the hub. Now we're gonna install it on the spindle, and from another side we're gonna press another half of the bearing on the shaft. After you can use a socket with the same diameter like the bearing inside, and you can use just a hammer, a socket like a driver.